In your Globe Smart strip light box, you will find the Smart LED strip light and Smart controller, mounting brackets, screws, and adhesive tape, and your quick start guide. Download the Globe Suite app. Go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Globe Suite. Download the app, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or register. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your smartphone or tablet. Plug in the Smart tape light to power it on. Then press the button on the Smart controller so that the tape light starts flashing. The lights should be flashing rapidly. If they are flashing slowly, press and hold the button down for 5 seconds until the lights begin flashing rapidly. Once the light is blinking rapidly, this means your light is in pairing mode and is ready to connect. In the Globe Suite app, choose Add Device or tap the plus sign in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The default scan connection method will automatically start. Ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Allow the scan to complete to discover your smart devices. When prompted, confirm your Wi-Fi name and password. Wait a few moments for the device to connect. Once your device is listed, tap Done. If you are on a mixed frequency Wi-Fi channel, try using AP mode. To mount the Smart strip light, first measure out the length of tape needed to ensure it is long enough. Ensure the surface area is clean. Then remove the adhesive tape cover and carefully stick the tape light along the mounting location. For added stability, use the included mounting brackets and screws. On the Globe Suite home screen, select the Smart strip light to access its controls. Tap On in the middle of your screen to turn on your light. In the white panel, you could adjust brightness using the slider near the bottom of the screen. To switch your light from white to color, select the Color panel at the bottom of your screen. Choose a color from the wheel or one of the preset options. You can also adjust the saturation and brightness using the sliders. Select the Mood panel at the bottom of your screen to access active lighting options. Choose one of the preset options or tap Add a new mood to create your own. Customize the color group, saturation, and brightness. Choose a transition and set the speed of the color changes. Name your new mood. Then tap Save. To explore automatic lighting routines, choose Routine at the bottom of your screen. To set a countdown for your strip light to turn on or off, use the timer at the top of the Routines panel. Use the option Add a new schedule to create additional routines that fit your specific needs. Connect your Smart strip light with a voice assistant and control your device even when you don't have your phone or tablet. Hey Google, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings can be connected directly through your Globe Suite profile, while Siri commands are created within SmartScenes. To pair your device, go to your profile, and then tap Integration. Select the voice assistant you would like to link your device to, and connect your account to the Globe Suite app. Discover all these features and more with Globe Suite. Explore the rest of the Smart Home collection, and make your home smart with Globe.